Have you ever felt your mind spinning, your thoughts running too fast, your chest getting tight, and your focus disappearing? When anxiety hits, even simple things like breathing, thinking, or trading calmly can feel impossible. That's when the free rule helps. Hi traders, welcome back to FTMO. My name is Nelly and I'm an FTMO performance coach. And today I'll introduce you to the free rule, a simple grounding method that brings your mind back to the present moment. We will look at how it works, why it helps, and how you can use it anytime to feel calm again. Anxiety tricks your mind into thinking you are in danger, even when you're not. It keeps your attention on what might go wrong instead of what's happening right now. For traders, professionals, or anyone, this can quickly drain your focus and confidence. Imagine this. You're watching the market. You just entered a trade. The candles start moving fast. You feel that knot in your stomach. Your mind says, "What if it reverses? What if I lose everything?" Soon you're not watching the chart anymore. You're watching your fear. This is the moment to use the free rule. The free rule is easy to remember and powerful to use. Step 1. Look around and name 3 things you can see, like a cup, a monitor, or a pen. This pulls your focus away from your thoughts. Step 2. Notice 3 sounds you can hear, such as the hum of your computer, your breath, or the wind outside. This helps your mind listen instead of worry. Step 3. Move 3 parts of your body. Roll your shoulders, wiggle your toes, or stretch your fingers. This relaxes your body and connects your mind to the present moment. Each step stops anxiety from growing and brings your focus back to now. It brings you into the present moment. No past, no future, just now. It breaks the cycle of anxious thoughts. It relaxes your body and reminds your brain that you are safe. Over time, it trains your mind to handle stress with calm and focus. It's not about avoiding anxiety. It's about meeting it with awareness. So next time your thoughts start racing, pause, look, listen, move. Free. You'll see how a few seconds of presence can change everything. So trade safe, stay disciplined, and keep working on your mindset.